Hi students, I hope you like my previous lecture. Now I am here to explain you another topic of Power BI, which is related to merge cell. Last time I was tell you about how to change the text value into proper way, and now in this lecture I will let you know about how to merge the cells, merge the merge the text cells into one column. Here it is. You see, I have three different columns. It is prefix, first names, last name. Now in this video I will tell you how to merge these three column into one column, which is quite easy. So first of all, you would go to like that. First of all, you have to select this column like this, press Ctrl key, and then this column, and then this column. This column, then press Ctrl key, and this column, and this column. After you have selected these three columns, you go to the Add Column tab, and then go to the Merge Column tab, just like it. Just click it. After clicking this, you will get this type of dialog box here, and you need to separate words here in merge column, and then you use this command, separator command, and click on space. There are several other commands also, but here is I am using space separator as separator, and give the name a new column name as complete name. After you click, and then after you click, you will see that another column has been created now, which is named with merge column here. I will explain you how. You see in the last column the complete name, which was I have given to that column, and here it is. You see the merge complete name of those text values which I was merged together. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. I will continuously posting these kind of videos for you, which will be ultimately very helpful you. Thank you very much.